Hey guys, let's compare the Ugreen and the Orico enclosures. These are M.2 NVMe enclosures. They come with the cable, USB-C to USB-C, so you can connect to your computer. I have here a MacBook, but you can also connect to a Windows computer. And they come also with this thermal pad to dissipate the heat. Okay. And the Orico one comes with this extra dissipation device here, right? For the Orico one, you just need to use this small retention pin to hold the SSD in place. And for the Ugreen, it comes already inside. It's the one that you just need to rotate. Right? Super simple. Let me just start showing here the Orico. There we go. So it's pretty nice. It comes in different colors. I have here the box. You see that you can get it on black, blue, white, and pink. Okay. I have the blue one. Here in front, you see the LED that shows when it's working. And here you can connect the USB-C cable. To open, you just need to slide this. See here, there's the information how to slide it. Just need to use your fingernails and slide like this and remove this part. Okay. Then just slide to open it up. And here you see that I have a Western Digital SSD. This is the PCSN730. So I can test the speed here on my computer, right? So you can also use the thermal pad. You just need to peel the film here and then you stick to the SSD so it can dissipate the heat. And then you just close it, right? I'm not gonna use this right now. You can also use it open like this. If you're testing and measuring the speed and then the temperature as well, you can use open like this because you just connect the cable, connect to your computer. You can use it open, right? Let me just close here. Oh, the rotation clip I was talking about, you just put it here. See it? Let me just show basically how it works. You just need to remove here and it's spring loaded. So it's easy to remove like this. And then to put back in place, just insert here, push it. And then you're gonna use the rotation clip just right here. There we go. So if you lose this one, there's no way to hold this in place. That's why it comes with an extra one. Okay. Then you close it just like so. And you put this piece here on the top again and close it. All right. You're gonna test the speed in a while. Let me just show you now the Ugreen. There we go. The enclosure comes with this rubber part here that you can just put it here to protect the enclosure. If you drop it, it's not gonna break. Here is the connection to USB-C cable and also an LED that shows that's working. And here there's information to push to open. So you just push like this, open it up, and here you can insert the SSD. See here that I have extra location here to connect the small devices, small SSDs, right? The Orico also comes like this. You can have different sizes, right? And the rotation clip is just right here. So you just need to rotate it. You just rotate like this when you insert the SSD, right? Let me just remove from here, from this Orico, then I can insert there. So open this one more time, slide it, just remove the clip from here and remove the SSD, okay? Then I come here to the Ugreen, insert it here. Just like so. It's also spring loaded. So I just need to rotate this rotation clip. And then it holds in place, okay? Then I come here, can also use the thermal pad, peel it, stick it here, and I'm good to go. I can just close the enclosure here, and I connect to my computer, okay? So let's just connect and measure the speed. So I just connect the cable here. Well, this one is a different one. This is for the Sabrent. Let me just have a Sabrent here as well. Let me just get the original one here from Ugreen. There we go. It comes with the cable. Just make sure that you're using everything that comes with the device, right? So I connect here to my computer. There we go. Let me just organize everything here better so you can see it working. Okay, so I have here the Ugreen, and the LED is just right here. Let's just show you. There we go. See, that's working. And here on my computer, see the Finder pops up with the driver here, WD NVMe. And here I can just test with the disk speed test, right? And while testing, I can just observe here the file. When it writes the file here on the SSD, I can observe here the size. So I come here to the Blackmagic Design disk speed test, select a drive, here Western Digital NVMe, hit open, and I can select the file size. Let's just start the test with 1 GB. And you see here the information that's writing the file here on the SSD, and I can measure the speed, write and read. For write is about 1500, and for read 864. Okay, so you see, keep testing over and over again. 895 now to the right. So it's basically working as expected. Let me just stop the test and then test here with 5 GB. That'll be a little bit slower, of course. Then I just start the test again. And you see here, it starts writing the file. You just need to wait here to finish. Then you see the results. You see 5 GB file. And the speed here, 753 and 860. Right, for the write and read. So it's pretty good. As long as I have more than 500 megabytes, I'm good to go according to the specification of this SSD. So let's just stop this one, and I come here and eject. And then I can insert the other one here, which is this Orico. Let me just remove from here so I can insert into the Orico. There we go. Just insert it here. Use the rotation clip. There we go, it's in place. And then close it. Connect the cable, the original cable, connect to my computer. The LED here is easier to see it because it's a big one. Then I just put it here and come back to my computer, and I'm going to test again. Select the drive, Western Digital, and then file size starting with 1 GB. Let's just open Finder here so you'll see it working. There we go, with 1 GB, working pretty fine. See here the speed, 1500 and 800 for the write and the read. It's working pretty fine. Let's just stop here, see 1500 again, and then with 5 GB, it's going to slow down a little bit, but still more than 500 is okay. So 762, and for the write and for the read, 868. Okay, one more time, just to make sure that's working. 600, 500, that's okay, 586. And 800 something here for the read. So it's working pretty fine, okay? Let me just eject here, and we're good to go. Let's connect. And there we go. So guys, basically we have both of them working pretty fine. There's no bottleneck with the speed. It's working according to the speed that I have on the SSD, right? I'm using here NVMe from Western Digital and it works pretty good. I'll leave the link in the description for both of them. They are affordable and they work pretty fine. They are about almost the same size. See here comparing. The Orico one is slightly small, but just a tiny bit. But both of them work pretty fine. Both of them work pretty fine, right? So hope that helps. You can get yours on Amazon. Just click my link here. Go get yours. And I hope that helps. Leave your comments, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next one.